So in order to create this chart, what we will do, I have already created this female and male attendance part over here. 79% is the male attendance and 29% is the female attendance. Now below this 79%, I will write a formula is equal to 1 minus this 79%. Enter. Okay, now this just copy and paste the same formula against this female attendance. Now basis on this value we will create a chart. So first for the male attendance, I'll select this one, click on insert and click on stack column chart, this one. Just click over here. Now it will create a chart like this. Now click on switch row column. Now the chart will be like this. Just adjust this chart bit like this. Okay, now what we will do, this is the axis part. Just right click on this axis part. I'm not able to do right now, just okay. Now just right click and format axis. Now what we will do, this is 0 and 1.1. I'll let the minimum bounds as 0 but maximum I will take as 1 and enter. Okay, now this chart title and grid lines, I don't need this. Just remove this element like this, remove and remove also. Okay, so I have removed the unnecessary element that I do not required actually. Now right click over this chart, click on format data series. Now here the gap width should be 0, write 0. Okay, now what I would do, just select this chart and under this format option, shape fill, it should be no fill, and similarly the outline should be no outline. Okay, now till here we have created this chart. Now just copy this chart, right click and copy this chart and paste the same chart over here, but the source area would not be the male attendance, the source area would be the female attendance. I'll drag like this. Okay, so now I have these two charts, one for male and one for female. Now what I would do, on the male attendance chart part, click this area and on this shape fill I'll select as no fill, and below this part I'll select solid fill and color I'll select as this blue one. Okay, it's better to select this dark blue. Okay, now for the other chart the same thing I'll repeat. Upper portion should be no fill and this portion should be solid fill, and I'll select the color a different one. Just click the more colors and I can select a different color basically like this. Okay, so I'll select this color. Okay, so I have created two charts. Now what I would do, open PowerPoint, this is PowerPoint slide, click on insert and click on shape. I'll select a rectangle shape like this. Once again under this insert tab I'll click on this text box, and now in this text box, first of all let us increase the size. I'll increase this size to let's suppose 198. Okay, now click on insert and click on symbol, and here the font should be Webdings. Okay, now just scroll bit down, you see that this is the male picture over here. Just select and click on insert, close. Now what we will do, we will move this picture on this rectangle part. Now select all by pressing Ctrl and A. Click on this format tab and merge shape, click on combine. So we have combined this picture. Now what we will do, we will click on this shape fill, and the shape fill should be like white, and the shape outline we will select this one which we have selected for the Excel chart, this one blue one. Okay, now what we will do, just right click and copy this, go to this Excel file and right click, paste as picture. What we will do, we will crop this also like this. We will crop the border part so that the border should not be visible. Okay, now one thing that we will do, we will mark attendance as 100% for male, so that we can find out the actual length of this bar, and it will be easy for us to adjust this picture all over the chart. Okay, like this. Just adjust this shape so that the background portion of the chart would not be visible. Okay, like this. Okay, also what we will do, just click on this view tab and remove the grid lines. Okay, now if you see, male attendance part is ready. If I write 50%, it is showing as 50% highlighted. If I write 98%, or let's write 0%, it is not highlighted. We will do the same thing for female attendance also. Again, just remove this one because we don't need anymore. Again, insert, click on shapes like this. Again, insert, then text box, font size should be the same what we have taken for the previous picture. It should be 198. Okay, and click on insert, symbol, just select this one for female attendance and close. Okay, now again move this picture over to this rectangle. Control A to select all the objects for rectangle and the picture, and in format tab, merge shape, click on combine option. What now, again shape fill should be white and shape outline the same color we have taken for the female attendance chart, so that is basically the pink one. Okay, now just copy this, Control C, copy, and go to your Excel file, right click and paste as picture. We are just repeating all the steps again. Format, crop the borders part because we do not require that, like this. Okay, again we are going to write 100% attendance for females in order to adjust this picture. Let me check. If I write 50%, it is showing 50%. If I write 0, it is showing 0. Okay, if I am writing 78%, it is showing 78%. We can also show the numbers. How we can do that? Click on insert and click a text box like this. Write mail, copy and paste the text box and remove this mail. And once you are in this edit mode, go to this formula bar and write is equal to and give the cell referencing of the mail attendance percentage G2 and G2 and enter. Okay, now copy, just adjust this size and width whatever you want. I'll select this one, impact font, size should be like this. Okay, again in the format bar, what you can do, shape outline should be no outline, shape fill should be no fill, and same goes for the female part. So guys, you can use these kind of charts in your dashboards, in your reports. I hope that this initiative is going to help you in your work area. So let us meet in our next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.